Students, we'll be beginning with the second module of your syllabus, that is accounts of professionals. Okay, now professionals are who are very skilled in one or the other way. For example, chartered accountants who are very skilled with accounts, lawyers, doctors, engineers, etc. They are very skilled in one or the other. Okay, uh, with their knowledge. Okay, now how are the accounts prepared for these people? Okay, now these are a important thing what we have to learn in a syllabus. Account of professional, which will be two accounts what we have to prepare with balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet is common. Okay, income and expenditure we have to prepare it for purpose of household, and profit and loss account we have to prepare it for profession. There are some transactions which will appear in both. Okay, accordingly we have to place it in both of the accounts. They will mention in the question what are the transaction which we have to place it in both, but we need to categorize it. Where does it appear? Suppose there is something called as rent for a premises, okay, which will be half distributed for profession, half distributed for your home. Okay, so such kind of things will come in both of the accounts. Clear with this? Now household expenses. Now household expenses will come where? It will not come in profit and loss account, because profit and loss account will be prepared for what purpose? Profession. It will come in expenditure account, income and expenditure account, that is for household. Clear? So here I have given you the meaning of professionals. Okay, what do you mean by professionals? Okay, that is for 2 marks question. Okay, we have gone through, I mean to say I have given the notes for what we have to write it down. Okay, income and expenditure or profit and loss account, and balance sheet is common. Okay, that will go for what? Statement of financial position. Sorry. And the next one is objectives of maintaining the books of account. Why we have to maintain the books of accounts of professional? To ascertain exact what is profit or loss of the profession, to know the financial position of the profession, to know the share of profit drawing position of capital partners of the profession. So this is what we have to draw it up. Okay, we have to write down. Now the next thing for your syllabus, mainly we have to cover professional as chartered accountant and doctors. Now from among these two we are going to do what now? Doctors. So doctors we also call them as what now? Medical practitioners. Okay, so how they prepare their accounts, what are the transactions they prepare it, we have to check in this. Okay, now going through your the notes what I have given to you is this all. Okay, yes, just a second. Okay, so this is what we have to, I have given you the notes. Okay, medical practitioner has his own income and expenditure in course of his profession. To ascertain the net result of professional and financial position on particular date, they have to prepare this accounts. Clear? So this is what we have to, you people have to write it down. Now in this there are many things given to us. What are the source of income of a doctor? Now what are those source of income? Visiting fees, attending fees, consultation fees, hospital charges fees, operational charges, income from lecture, pathological examination. These all are what now? His income as well as expenses, what they have listed over here. So very nicely you have to read it out, okay, one by one, so that it will be very easy to solve the problem. Clear with this? Okay, so now going through a simple format of your income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account and profit and loss account looks same, but income and expenditure account is prepared for household. So all household expenses will be coming over here, which will not appear in profit and loss account. Which will not appear in what? Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is prepared only for what? Profession. Clear? So this is what we have to study it for. Okay, so it is same, one and the same. Whatever we have studied, profit and loss account, balance sheet format is same. Only income and expenditure is also same, but only household expenses we have to include it over here. Fine. So this is what we have to learn it. So you can just observe salary and wages. It is appearing over here also. Salary and wages here appearing in profit and loss account. Rent over here as well as over here, motor car expenses. But you can just check household marketing, which is not appearing over here. Why? Because income and expenditure is prepared only for household purpose. So this is what your concept of profession, accounts of professional. One by one for 5 marks we are going to solve these problems. Okay, do not worry. Thank you.